Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to resolve a primary issue that you get in Raspberry Pi Pico, that is the non-availability of this particular RPI or RP2 drive when you connect your Raspberry Pi Pico or Raspberry Pi Pico W development board to your PC through micro USB cable. Let's get started. So usually when you connect your Raspberry Pi Pico W development board to your PC, you must see this particular drive in your this PC folder. But if you are not seeing that, you cannot import any MicroPython image or any other image onto this Raspberry Pi Pico for starting your development activity. But in some cases, let me just remove and reconnect the Raspberry Pi Pico W development board which I am having in my hand. You can see now I am not able to see this particular drive which was visible before. You can clearly see there is no drive named RP or RP2 Pico right over here among the drives C, D, E, F, G, etc. And for resolving this particular problem in Raspberry Pi Pico W or in Pico, what you need to do is you just need to hold the push button right over here in the Raspberry Pi Pico and then you can connect the USB cable. When you do that, you can clearly see the Raspberry Pi Pico named RPI/RP2 drive has appeared now. So this is the Raspberry Pi Pico W drive that is connected to my PC. So first step is make sure that you are getting this drive when you have connected the Raspberry Pi Pico W or Pico in your Windows PC. And this is the way that you can resolve this particular issue. I hope this helped you in some way. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope this particular video was helpful for you in some way. See you in the next video. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.